Internet Computer ICP holders, today we've got a massive emergency video for ICP because something really bad just happened recently and we lost a key support level inside the daily timeframe charts, and that is why you must pay close attention because this will probably be one of the most important videos you will ever watch today, and I cannot wait to talk about the recent price action and discuss with you guys the important levels to look out for and what I'm expecting next for ICP. So to begin, we are starting off inside the daily time frame charts, and then later on in the video we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook. But here we are in the daily time frame charts, and as you guys can see, the ICP price is having a brutal dump towards the downside and everyone is panicking right now. But if you have been following the channel, this will not come as a surprise to you because a couple of videos ago, I already gave out an early warning about this because we have spotted this gigantic consolidation pattern in the daily time frame charts, which is this descending triangle pattern. And I mentioned this multiple times in my previous videos that I was expecting volatility for the ICP price as soon as we see a breakout of this triangle, and right now we are seeing a brutal dump. We are seeing a break towards the downside for this particular reason, and everyone is panicking. But if you are a follower of mine, this will not come as a surprise to you because we were completely prepared for what was about to come. So today I will be mentioning to you guys what I'm expecting next because right now something really bad just happened, and essentially, the Internet Computer ICP price just lost an important support level at around $10.4 right here. And that is why this is really bad news, because I mentioned this in my previous video that if we see ICP lose this $10.4 support level, we could continue dumping further towards the downside until we reach the next major support level right here at $8.6. So from the price we're at right now, that's going to be about another 15% dump towards the downside. And of course, I am expecting the $8.6 level to support the price if we ever touch this level. So yeah, that is what I'm expecting right now because ICP has broken this important support level right here. This now increases the chances of us continuing the dump towards the downside towards $8.6 because that is where the next major support zone is located at, or the next support level. So essentially right now, just prepare for what's about to come. Prepare for the worst, that's all I can say. So let's talk about the longer time frame this time and discuss my long-term targets and what I'm expecting in the long term. So here we are in the weekly time frame charts, and as you guys can see, essentially my view still remains the same in the long term, but in the short term though, my view has slightly changed, and that is because again ICP has lost support at $10.4. So perhaps in the meantime we could expect ICP to have some more bearish price action in the short term, but in the mid to long term I am expecting ICP to have bullish price action and have a swift recovery because we are approaching one of the biggest bull runs of our life, and essentially that is when big things start to happen. So I don't think that this is the blow off top right here, and I'm expecting that in the next couple of months we'll have a swift recovery, and this dip we're seeing right here is just another buying opportunity. But if we do zoom out, you guys can see we have the targets right here. We have the next target at $23, and then we have $35 and then $55, and our primary target for ICP in this cycle is $100, which would place ICP at a $50 billion market cap, which is about a 10x ROI from the price we're at right now. So yeah, my target for this bull cycle for ICP is $100 ICP. The targets for other people may be different from mine, but here is my respective target. And again, that would place ICP at a $50 billion market cap. So everything is still going according to plan, but in the short term though, expect some bearish price action because we lost a key support level. So I'm expecting lower prices from here until we touch $8.6 and maybe have a recovery from there and then continue the overall uptrend. So essentially that is pretty much it. And if you guys are wanting to know how to seek opportunities in this market and position wisely, you must join my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you are not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.